Imagine the lights dimming, the overture beginning, and the thrill of a Broadway show about to unfold. Your seat choice can truly enhance this magical experience, but what exactly sets orchestra and mezzanine sections apart? The primary difference between Broadway orchestra and mezzanine seats lies in their location within the theater. Orchestra seats are on the main floor, typically closest to the stage, while mezzanine seats are on the first elevated level, providing a lifted, often panoramic, perspective. This positional difference creates distinct viewing angles and acoustical experiences. Orchestra seats, especially those in the front and center, offer an immersive, close-up view where you can clearly see facial expressions and intricate costume details. However, being too close can sometimes mean looking up, potentially missing elements at the very top of the stage. The mezzanine, particularly its front rows, gives you an excellent overview of the entire production, allowing you to appreciate the full stage design, choreography, and the grand scale of the performance without obstruction from rows in front. When deciding between these options, consider what aspects of the show are most important to you. If you prioritize an intimate connection with the performers and their detailed artistry, the orchestra section is often ideal. If you prefer to absorb the entire theatrical landscape, including impressive set changes and large ensemble numbers, a mezzanine seat will give you that broader, comprehensive view. Your budget will also play a role, as orchestra seats, especially prime ones, are generally priced higher than mezzanine seats. An insider tip for big musical productions is that the front of the mezzanine is often considered a sweet spot, offering unobstructed sightlines that capture the full visual impact of complex staging and choreography. Conversely, for a more dramatic, character-driven play, many seasoned theatergoers prefer the immediacy of a center orchestra seat. Remember to always consult the specific theater's seating chart, as layouts can vary greatly, and extreme side seats in either section may have partial view limitations. By understanding the unique advantages and perspectives offered by both orchestra and mezzanine seating, you can make an informed choice that perfectly aligns with your preferences. This allows you to secure the ideal spot and fully immerse yourself in the unforgettable magic of a Broadway production, ensuring a truly memorable New York City experience.